Ready with your science book? Open to page 16. Open to page 16. Write classwork, write today's date on top. Written, children? Classwork and today's date on top. Now, I'm sending you a picture, children. Have you written classwork?
मैम
Yes.
मैम पेज नंबर बता दीजिए।
Page number 16. पेज नंबर 16 पे क्लास वर्क लिखिए, आज की डेट डालिए। जो मैंने इमेज भेजी है उसको जैसे ही कंप्लीट कर लोगे, यू विल टेल मी, यू स्विच ऑन योर माइक एंड टेल मी, मैम आई हैव फिनिश्ड राइटिंग. आई एम गिविंग यू 10 minutes to do this because we have to do more work in. Ishanvi beta, you're always looking at the camera, you are never writing. तुम लिखती कब हो? Good.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही।
मैंने कुछ कहा ही नहीं बेटा, तो आवाज़ कैसे आएगी? अभी तो आप लिख रहे हैं ना।
मैम क्या लिखना है?
कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा। कौन पूछ रहा है मुझसे, ये बताओ। हु इज आस्किंग मी? टेल मी योर नेम चाइल्ड। विदुषी, कैमरा माइक ऑन करो। यस, व्हाट आर यू आस्किंग मी विदुषी?
मैम मुझे अभी पता चला कि अभी अभी फैंसी हो चुकी है कि मैं अभी अभी आई हूँ।
व्हाट्सएप पे जो मैंने पिक्चर भेजी है साइंस बुक की, पेज नंबर 16 की, उसको पेज नंबर 16 में अभी करो।
ओके मैम आई ओके
Ask, ask. What do you want to ask, Vidushi? Ask, no problem. Ask.
नहीं मैम वो मुझे पेज नंबर 60 पेज मैम आई हैव डन। मैम आई हैव डन।
Okay, just raise your hand and tell me.
मैम आई हैव डन।
Just raise your hand, child. I will not, don't want you all to post it. Giving you 5 minutes more, children, and then we'll do the next thing. Good. So Noor finished. Saida finished. Very good. Ekagra is already finished, I think. Akshat also should have finished. Beta, don't send the photo. Saida, don't send the photo till I ask, okay? Okay, children. Now turn to page 15.
Ma'am, I have done.
Please turn to page 15, children. अभी हमने पेज 16 करा है, अब हम पेज 15 करेंगे जहाँ पर पिक्चर बनी हुई है. जस्ट चेक दैट प्लेस जहाँ एक बेडरूम बना हुआ है. कैन यू ऑल सी द पिक्चर? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now children, pick up your pencil. इस पे भी write classwork and today's date. Write classwork and today's date.
27.
Vidushi, why do you talk such a lot?
Oh,
पूरे क्लास में
ma'am,
you are the only. I am not asking the date. I am saying write today's date. You talk a lot and you distract the class a lot.
Okay.
Written children classwork and today's date. Now, इसमें Anna के bedroom का photo है. There's a picture of Anna's bedroom, but the bed has not been drawn. तुमको दिख रहा है ना, bed पे सिर्फ outline दिया हुआ है. Now pick up your pencil and जहाँ जहाँ trace करना है, Anna के bed को trace करो. ईशान भी पहले trace करेंगे, उसके बाद color करेंगे. You have to trace the bed. Okay, the bed, the pillows, the bed sheet, the duvet, everything you have to trace first, and trace करने के बाद you will color it. So pencil उठा के पहले dots पे line बनाओ जितने dots हैं. Make the bed first. Very good, Hanifa. You're doing it very nicely. Yes, nice. Very good. Ishanvi finished? Draw कर लिया Ishanvi? Good. Go. Okay, now start coloring. Color nicely, yeah? Mahira, trace बेटा, trace करो, tracing करो. निष्कर्त एंड नाइमा, प्लीज़ डिलीट योर वर्क. जो भी पोस्ट करा है आप तब पोस्ट करेंगे जब मैं कहूँगी. तो प्लीज़ डिलीट इट. डिलीट द वर्क.
मैम कौन सा खोलना है?
बेटा नो स्केच पेन्स. मायरा, नो स्केच पेन्स. ओनली कलर पेंसिल्स. ओनली कलर पेंसिल्स. नो स्केच पेन्स एट ऑल.
मैम कौन सा पेज ओपन करना है?
पेज 15. No crayons, no sketch pens, only color pencils, children, okay? Advait, finished drawing, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay, continue.
मैम कौन से कलर कौन से
कलर्स
कौन
whatever
से?
you want, कलर्स whatever you want. crayons मत यूज़ करना, crayons और sketch pen नहीं यूज़ करना है. You have to use color pencils. Okay, don't use crayons, don't use sketch pens, use only color pencils.
मैम मेरे पास अभी वो कलर पेंसिल्स नहीं, मेरे पास क्रेयॉन्स है।
क्रेयॉन से मत करना बेटा, बुक खराब हो जाएगी.
मैम मेरे पास
Children, you're not supposed to use crayons, only color pencils, only color pencils.
मैम तुम कैन आई
Yes, you can send for the colors and you can buy the colors and then you can do it in the evening.
When I have this, I don't color pencils.
Then if you don't have color pencils beta, you can wait. If any shop near your house is open, buy color pencils, otherwise you can do it later on.
Tomorrow,
Okay, tomorrow no problem at all.
ma'am. Thank you.
Well,
Ma'am, I am done.
Ekagri, you are finished? Very good. Advait, what happened, child?
मैम मेरे पास कलर नहीं है।
तो अभी मत करो, जब कलर्स मिल जाएंगे तब करना. क्रेयॉन से दूसरा पेज खराब हो जाता है, इसलिए मना करती हूँ. एंड स्केच पेन से पीछे का पेज खराब हो जाता है, इसलिए मना करती हूँ.
मैम
यस,
पेंसिल से स्केच कर लें,
किससे?
पेंसिल से।
हाँ, यू स्केच विथ योर पेंसिल. स्केच तो पेंसिल से ही करना है ना. ट्रेस जो करना है डॉटेड लाइंस पे.
लिखने वाली पेंसिल से।
चाइल्ड, जब आप ट्रेस कर रहे हैं, व्हेन यू आर ट्रेसिंग द डॉट्स, यू आर यूजिंग योर राइटिंग पेंसिल. ओके,
ओके मैम। मैम अभी मेरे पास वो पेंसिल है।
you can do it tomorrow. You can do it.
I am done.
You can do it tomorrow.
Ma'am, I am done.
But finished. Very good. Good. I think you should not be with her in the class, you know. You should let her sit alone in the room, if possible. If you want her to become independent, you will have to let her sit on her own and let.
I have tried that already.
No. KG was different. Class 1 is different, right?
Yes, I want to make her independent.
Yes, if you want to make her independent, you will have to move away from her.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try for this.
Yeah, I did that with Cheyenne, and now Cheyenne is doing everything on his own. His mother doesn't sit. Tasmia, I'm talking to someone. So I tried that with Cheyenne. Cheyenne now works on his own. He doesn't need his mother. Try that with Veronica also. She will also do everything on her own.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, sometimes we have to send pictures and on the WhatsApp or
Then-
हम checking करना होता है.
हाँ, then let them call you. Let the children call the parent, whatever, whoever is there. You
Okay,
know,
ma'am.
occasionally you can come in and walk in and see what they are doing, but पूरे क्लास में बैठा रहना, it's not good for the child's mental this thing.
Ma'am, it is also very difficult for us as well.
I understand that. That is why I'm saying. So when I send an image, the child can call out to you, right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Welcome.
Even I'll definitely try.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I know, Tasnya, you've done, child.
Drink water.
Yes, Myra, please drink water, child. Drink water.
Ma'am, I have done.
Nishkart, what do you want me to do, child? Show it to me on camera. I'm not asking for PDF today. Show it to me on camera.
Ma'am, I have done.
अरे कितनी
Ma'am, I
बार
have done.
निष्कार्त कितनी बार बोलोगे आई हैव डन बेटा? अब तक के तुम 10 times बोल चुके आई हैव डन. You don't know how to keep quiet? Show the picture to me on camera. Yes. Who's this who's showing to me on camera? Good. Ekagar, good. Nishkat, show. Wait, Nishkat, show. Wait, Nishkat. Show. Now show, Nishkat. मुझे पिक्चर नहीं दिखाई दे रही. और ऊपर करो. और ऊपर करो. Yes. थोड़ा लेफ्ट करो. थोड़ा राइट करो. अब थोड़ा राइट करो. नहीं दिख रहा है बेटा.
I have done.
हाँ, okay, Achint, good. Okay, Achint, good.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, children. Please continue with your work, and once you finish your work, I have sent you homework. Please check your homework on WhatsApp. This is the homework that you have to do today. And when I give the homework read, इसका मतलब है आपको read करना है. Okay?
Ma'am, is
Yes.
the class over?
What happened?
Ma'am, is the class over? Ma'am,
Yeah.
is the class over?
It's more or less about over. I'm just giving a few instructions and then it's over.
Okay, ma'am.
Reading, children. I've given you the reading of 2 lessons, one in science and one in literature. And for maths, only those 2 pages you have to do. Don't do any other page. Write homework, write today's date, and don't send the image to me till I ask for. Okay? जब तक मैं नहीं कहूँगी, image कोई नहीं भेजेगा. Now for today, your class is over, children. Complete this work. Good, Akshat, very good. Complete your work and see you all tomorrow, children. Okay, bye. Stay safe, stay happy, children. Bye. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye, madam. Bye, madam. Bye, madam.